for your final four chances. So what can you say about this game this afternoon? What can you say about this game after this intense game that you kept your final four hopes alive?
But we're just happy to be still alive. No, we made it clear in the dugout that if we want to live another day, then we have really no choice but to win the game. I think from their end, Salazar, it's the same mentality that they have, no, because they're playing still UP. So this is the game that they would want to win. Sabi namin, in the end, it will just boil down to whoever wants it more. No, again, it wasn't a perfect game. There were moments in the game that we weren't doing our part. We allowed them to get rebounds. We allowed them to be first on the ball. No, but towards the end, no, we made stops. We got the rebounds that we needed. No, si Mati, si Monty nung huli, kahit mas maliliit sila, they really battled it against those bigger players of LaSalle. No, and in the end, muntik pa nga, sabi ni Cedric, na muntikan pa tayo. But we're happy. We're thankful to the Lord for allowing us to taste victory today, despite